Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today's video is all about disassembling this 12-volt cordless rotary tool from Parkside. I have made a video reviewing and testing. You can check that video right in the corner after the end of this video. To proceed with the disassembling, remove the battery, this hanging metal, the attachment at the front, and we have one pin here and another one here. And now I can remove the 6 screws. Perfect. The housing, thick plastic, very durable, on a black color because this is the performance. I can see the bearing quality is very good at the front. We have the brushless motor, the on-off switch, there is the switch here, the speed control. I will try to install the battery just to see how it works, the motor. Okay, it's flashing. Okay. I think because I have open right now the tool is not working very well. Let's try again. Okay, I think I have managed to insert the battery correct. Slower speed. Nice. Don't do that. You need to have the cover. So let's remove the motor. We have this PCB here. Lock and lock for the chuck at the front. The plastic for the on-off switch. So there it is, on-off switch, the brushless motor, the cooling fins, the 2 bearings, the PCB, all the cables are going at the PCB, the 3 LEDs for the battery, and the controller, speed controller. Controller and the LEDs you can remove from the PCB and install again. That is all about. It has a very durable housing, I like that. Now you're smarter, you know how it looks, this rotary tool. Bearing at the back. I don't want to remove and damage the motor. So let's install everything back and see if it will work. This teardown gives a good idea of the build quality and what you are dealing with if you are planning a repair, cleaning, or just curious about how this tool works on the inside. Overall, I'm impressed with the internal layout, the brushless motor is well seated, and the PCB looks surprisingly clean for a budget-friendly tool. Seeing the internal cooling fins and the bearing quality gives me a lot more confidence in how this tool will handle long-term heat. It's clear that Parkside didn't just make this cordless, they actually thought about the internal durability. If you found this teardown useful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tool teardowns, repairs, and DIY content. Thanks for watching, work safe, and I'll see you in the next video.